What's up, you sex travelers? I'm from around the good world and now I'm in Brno of Czech Republic. The city of Brno is very well known for its Formula 1 circuit. But that's not the reason of my trip. So what the hell am I doing here? Okay, let me give you some context. But for that we have to go back. I woke up in my apartment, had my breakfast with coffee, grabbed my backpack, locked the door, got into the train, and here I am! The reason that I came to Brno is to meet with my very good friend Christina, that we had crazy adventures on an epic project 6 years ago. I'm gonna tell you everything about it, but first I have to find her house. Oh, here it is! Christina!
Apostol! Oh my god! Come, you gotta meet Manolis!
Hi, I am Manolis, and I'm a rock star. Okay, after all this extreme cuteness, I guess it's time to tell you how and why we met with Christina.
Yeah, go ahead!
It was back in 2012 and I had just returned from an epic trip to Thailand, and because of that I was totally broke. But I had a burning desire to continue traveling, so for 2 months in a row I was trying to find a way to travel for free. And it was then when I came up on a blog post where a girl named Christina and her sister will start an epic walk from Czech Republic to Greece in solidarity to all refugees living in Greece at the time. That actually meant that they would do 1,800 kilometers on foot.
Yeah, we walked the whole way.
For that they needed a guy to drive their van with all the equipment and organize everything for them, as they would only focus on the walk. They were willing to pay all the expenses for him. And guess who that guy was? So they flew me all the way to Brno to meet
with me at the airport.
After a week of preparations, we started the walk with a great deal of enthusiasm and confidence, to realize only some days later that
it was a disaster.
From the first days we had huge fights between us, and it was so difficult to overcome because we were total strangers and decided to do something so intense together. And there was actually a point that we said enough, we're not gonna continue anymore.
But against any logic we persevered and we got it done.
And as the hardships were going stronger, our friendship got stronger as well. We had our car literally hanging from a cliff.
Our feet were full of bloody blisters.
The police in every country were giving us a hard time. But against all odds, we succeeded in the most epic way, arriving to Greece 2 months later. Christina, do you want to say something about all that?
Walk to Greece was one of the best things I've ever done in my life, if not the best thing. Probably the most challenging thing, and I would do it again many times.
And that was the story of a project called Walk to Greece. Now it's time for me to go enjoy myself in Brno. It felt great to be back and walk around in Brno. All the memories were here and this sweet nostalgia kicked in. So after 3 very beautiful days, I got on the road to return. This time, Paul gave me a ride as he was going to Vienna to take care of some business. It was amazing to meet with Christina after 6 years and at the same time meet Manoli and Pauli, who are both awesome. Thanks for everything, guys. It was a true pleasure.